Good morning, my little ones. How are you all? I hope you are fine. I am Sujata ma'am, and today in your numeracy space, I will teach you a pre-number concept, heavy, light. But before starting our new concept, let us first quickly revise the pre-number concepts you have learned earlier. Dry, wet. The dog in the kennel is dry. The dog outside the kennel is wet. Full, empty. The first basket is full of fruits. The second basket is empty. More, less. These lollipops are more and these lollipops are less. Long, short. This snail is long and this snail is short. After revising the pre-number concept which we have done previously, now we will start with our new concept, heavy and light. How will you understand that the thing is heavy? We understand it by its weight. I have a stone in my hand. It is heavy because it has a good weight. And what is this? Feather. Feather is light. It is because its weight is very light. So this is heavy, this is light. So we can say the stone is heavier than the feather and feather is lighter than the stone. Now first of all, we will see our workbook page and see some objects which are heavy and some objects which are light. The elephant is heavy. The rabbit is light. Elephant is big and heavy. Rabbit is small and light. The car is heavy. The cycle is light. Car is heavier than the cycle. Now, the big rock like stone is a heavy stone and the pebbles are light. The stone is heavy and pebbles are light. Now let us see some more examples to understand this concept of heavy and light more clearly. This book is thick and heavy in weight. This book is thin and light in weight. Heavy, light. This turtle is heavy in weight. And this feather is light in weight. Heavy, light. This soup bowl is heavy in weight and this soup spoon is light in weight. Heavy and light. This toy caterpillar is heavy in weight. This toy fan is light in weight. Heavy, light. This dinosaur is big and heavy in weight. This dinosaur is small and light in weight. Heavy, light. So children, these objects are heavy in weight. Soup bowl, turtle, thick book, caterpillar and big dinosaur. And these all objects are light in weight. Thin book, soup spoon, feather, small dinosaur and fan. I hope you understood the concept of heavy and light. So children, I hope you have understood the concept of heavy and light. Now let us do a worksheet related to that concept. Children, now let us do a worksheet related to heavy and light. Color the boxes red for heavy objects and color the boxes blue for light objects. Now let us start. The first is a basket full of vegetables and the second is grapes. So which one is heavier and which one is lighter? The basket full of vegetables is heavier. So we color that box red and the grapes are lighter. So we'll color that box blue. In the second column there is a sharpener and a bag. So the sharpener is light. So we'll color that box blue and the bag is heavy. So we'll color that box red. Now the third column, there is a school bus and a bicycle. Now the bus is heavier than the bicycle. So we'll color the bus box red and the bicycle box blue. And last, there is a donkey and a snake. The donkey is heavier than the snake. So we'll color the donkey box red and the snake box blue. So this is how we will complete the worksheet at home. After seeing the worksheet, I hope you will do it correctly at home. We'll meet in the next session tomorrow. Till then, bye-bye.